What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm sitting in a brand spanking new 2026 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali Ultimate. The truck is white. We're about to get it pulled in right now to do a 6.5-inch BDS lift kit on it with some 24x12 Fittipaldi FTF 503 wheels in the gloss black. It's a beautiful wheel. It's forged. We're doing a 37 1350 24 Toyo Open Country RT Trail on this truck. It's going to be super nice. It's going to be big, tall, and wide when we're done. We're also doing another Denali Ultimate, same year, same color today, and doing like a Bubba setup with a McGoy's kit on it. So I'm going to be filming two videos at the same time of the same truck, same color and all. So hopefully I don't mix up the videos too bad. I'm about to get out and show you what this one looks like. Super excited about both of these. Stay tuned. Here's our amazing truck. Like I said, brand spanking new 2026 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali Ultimate. Right off the bat, I noticed a couple small things. This badge has been blacked out. These letters also have been blacked out, which is fitting because this truck is getting black wheels. You can go either way on a Denali Ultimate. You can do a chrome wheel, a black wheel. I've even seen some cases where people do like a silver or a dark gray wheel. And some people have tried their best to match this Vader chrome. And I've seen some people hit it close, but it's really tough to match this. So, accept the challenge, somebody, and make it happen so we can have a wheel. But there's a couple of wheels out there that's similar to it, but I think they'll get there. Anyways, we were about to do a 6.5-inch BDS lift kit on this truck with a Fox 2.0 shock. It's going to be super nice. I love BDS's kit for this. We are also doing a set of Fittipaldi forged wheels, which Fittipaldi is a very nice wheel. We've sold quite a few of their wheels recently. The price point is very good, comparatively speaking, to our normal brand of KG1. We sell a ton of that too still, but Fittipaldi is definitely a good player. They have a bunch of nice wheels in stock, and if you're looking for gloss black, they have that all black line that's really cool. So that's what we're gonna put on this truck with some 37-inch Toyos. Toyo is the best all-terrain tire that money can buy. It's like a hybrid almost, like a Ridge Grappler is probably the closest tire that I can compare it to. Nitto and Toyo are the same company, so the tire quality is great on both. This truck's gonna look amazing when it's done. Stay tuned for the process. We're about to get it in right now and get it done. I want to say I appreciate it to the customers as well for driving all the way from North Carolina. I would do that shit. So just like that, our North Carolina truck is ready to go. This Denali Ultimate 2500 looks amazing. We have the 6.5-inch BDS lift kit with the Fox 2.0 shocks. We did the 37-inch Toyo Open Country RT Trail tires, and we did the 24x12 wheels. This looks really, really good on the truck. I'm about to get out and show you what it looks like. So here's our final product. This GMC Sierra 2500 Denali Ultimate looks amazing with this BDS lift kit. This is the 6.5-inch with the Fox 2.0 shocks. There's your shock right up there. Your axle angles are great at this lift height as well. I like BDS because it does come with that skid plate in the front and that little badge. It looks really nice on there. We put the tires, the 37, 13, 50, 24 Toyo Open Country RT Trails right there. Very smooth, quiet tire, has a 45,000 mile warranty. This is definitely a great option for anybody that wants to maintain that close to factory ride. We added BDS upper control arms to this kit. There's our Fox 2.0 shock. BDS is a non-torsion bar drop lift kit where it puts the factory or the torsion bars back up in the factory location so that there's no torsion bar drop bracket right here. So that may be a selling point for you there. Back to the tires and wheels. This is the 24x12 Fittipaldi forged. Fittipaldi has a bunch of nice wheels out there. You should check it out on their website. We sell all of them here. Very, very nice option. Floating center caps as well with this one. Very impressed with the way the truck turned out. I'll show you the rear as well. Fox 2.0 shock in the rear, and then there's our fabricated block from BDS. If you have any questions about this truck, feel free to reach out. The number here is 678-994-9180. I'm going to attach a quote for this build right after this clip. If you have any other questions, just call me at the shop, and I appreciate everybody watching.